Hey, this is Mike Barnes, the financial first responder. Hey, look, good morning to you out from the East Coast. So my wife and I were in Las Vegas this past week, and we started talking, and we heard somebody talking about the eggs were probably $8 to $10 a box now for 12. And here in Maryland, I have these eggs. They're about $6. And so that comes out to be about 50 cents per egg. Now, the reason why I'm showing you these eggs is I want you to think about something for a second. Inflation. We can all remember when we were younger, when eggs were probably a lot cheaper. A lot of things were cheaper. Gas was cheaper. The way we did things were cheaper. But now everything's expensive. So my question to you is this. How many of you have your eggs in the wrong basket? Now, there's some articles out there that I'm probably going to talk about when I teach this subject. But I want you to think about, have you put all your eggs in the wrong basket? And what do I mean by that? Are you investing in the wrong places? You can't have all your money in crypto, people. You can't have all your money in your 401k. You can't have it, especially in the bank. So we're going to be talking about some of those things to help you grow and prosper. So with that said, this is Mike Barnes, the financial first responder. Please like and subscribe my channel. God bless.